Welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, I will be explaining you the next command under the engineering category, which is shell. The shell command is located in the engineering category. It is exactly beside the round command. You can see the icon on the screen. So what does the shell feature does? The shell feature removes the surface to hollow out a design model. It leaves the walls with specified thickness values. So let me try to show it on the sample component which I have created. In order to activate the shell command, we simply have to press on the shell icon. After pressing the icon, the next task is to select the surface. For example, I want to remove the surface. So I will be selecting the surface. After selecting the surface, you can see that the material or the surface has been removed and we can see a hollow shell structure. Now, if I want to remove this material, I have to press the hold the control button and click on the surface. In this way, I have removed the second surface. Now, if I want to try and remove out the surface, again I have to hold the control command and click on the selected surface. So activating the shell command is basically allowing us to remove the surfaces which are not desired. The next important thing in the shell command or the shell feature is to vary the thickness of the wall. You can see over here that by default I got an automatic value which is equal to 6.32. This is the thickness of the wall. I can vary the thickness of the wall either by typing in the text field. Say for example, I want to change it to 20. Now you can see that the wall has thickened and the thickness is equal to 20 units. What if I want the thickness to be on the other side? In that particular case, I can simply click on the direction. You can see that I have flipped the direction or I have changed the direction of the wall thickness. I can also alter the thickness by dragging the dragger. It can be either inside or outside. So these are the two important steps for creating a shell feature. The first important step is to select the surface which you want to hollow out, and the next important thing is to select or enter the amount of thickness as desired. Let us move forward and discuss few other features under the shell command.